AmbaFlex is a global leader of spiral conveyor solutions. AmbaFlex offer a broad series of product platforms to match the needs in many industries, from packaging, bottling, logistic, parcel handling, printing, up to luggage handling. AmbaFlex Credo is a spiral conveyor for any application. The AccuVeyor AVh series was designed with this in mind: reliable, problem-solving and reducing costs. The AccuVeyor AVh is the untouchable solution for first-in, first-out spiral accumulation of single items. The way it resolves a complicated task so simply and effectively cannot be touched by any alternative. Even the AccuVeyor AVh is unique as it does not touch the product at all, the best way to ensure the handling quality. The AccuVeyor Type AVh is a dynamic spiral accumulator. Besides the standard advantages of these accumulators like small floor space, first in, first out, and no product touching each other, it has some unique features. The AccuVeyor Type AVh featured here is the only spiral accumulator on the market with a patented one-belt system. Any product that enters the accumulator will therefore stay on that specific portion of the belt until the moment it leaves the accumulator at the other end. For you, this means that besides the first in, first out and non-touching aspect, the products are not physically touched at all. This is an example of a two-belt spiral accumulator. It consists of two parallel spiral belts, one running up and one running down. In between, there is a moving product transfer unit for clamping the products and performing a sharp 180-degree turn. In this close-up view, you can see that the new AVh requires no such transfer or clamping. For products with irregular shapes or those that cannot stand being put under pressure or clamped, there is now an innovative accumulation solution available. The new AVh can handle virtually all products that can lay on a belt. It is as simple as that. Even double rows of products on one belt can be handled. If the downstream process stops, so does the drive on the outfeed of the AccuVeyor AVh. This results in accumulation. Via the S section, the uprunning belt is transferred from the uprunning spiral section to the opposite downrunning spiral section. The total length of the product-carrying conveyor belt now increases. When both the in and out feed are once again running at the same speed or better, the processes run at synchronized speed. The S section remains static at its position, transferring the uprunning section to the downrunning section. From the top view, it becomes clear how the S section connects both nested spiral tracks. Now the accumulator is running empty and the downstream process speed exceeds the upstream or entry flow. The patent's secret is in how it lifts a conveyor belt out of its spiral frame, crosses it over and feeds it back into the downrunning frame. Normally, a conveyor belt will be locked into its frame to make sure that it follows its track and does not flip out. The clever system used by the AVh is a very simple mechanical solution with only one moving part, the S section, that lifts out and feeds in the belt in one go. A simple solution that ensures excellent effectiveness and reliability. When emptying, here displayed at 10 times the speed, it becomes clear how the AccuVeyor overcomes and smooths out the speed differences between the connecting processes. The system is intrinsically simple and self-controlling. The drive at one end of the accumulation belt is connected speed-wise to the connecting downstream conveyor, and at the other end to the feeding conveyor belt. The only controls needed are sensors to signal a full or empty accumulation belt and to adjust the connected processes when the accumulation capacity is reached. In case you were wondering where the unused conveyor belt is stored, here is the answer. On the top of the accumulation spiral, there is a similar mirrored accumulator. This isn't used for accumulation, but only to store the belt. As both these S sections are connected, the loop is closed so that when one moves up, the other follows. The result is a closed system with only one belt. In this full version, you can clearly see the S section transferring the uprunning belt into the downrunning frame. It lifts the belt out and then lifts it over the spiral track via the S-section to the other side. The AccuVeyor AVh is available in washdown stainless steel and coated mild steel. It comes with an optional enclosure and access doors. The AccuVeyor AVh technology has been patented internationally. This means that the exclusive availability of this unique solution has been secured for all AmbaFlex customers. AmbaFlex spiral conveyors are sold, serviced and assembled via AmbaFlex customer support centers in Europe, North America and Asia. Dozens of AmbaFlex spirals are installed every week, helping AmbaFlex customers to resolve complicated material handling issues in a simple and reliable way.